ODUNLADE ADEKOLA criticizes TOSIN OLANIYAN over indecent dressing at movie premiere. Before we continue, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Nollywood actor ODUNLADE ADEKOLA has sparked a heated debate in the entertainment industry after publicly criticizing his colleague, actress TOSIN OLANIYAN, for her choice of outfit at a recent movie premiere. The event, which attracted numerous stars and fans, turned controversial when OLANIYAN stepped out in a bold, revealing outfit that quickly became the talk of the night. Adekola, known for his strong moral stance and influence in the Yoruba movie industry, expressed his disappointment in a social media post, stating, "As role models, we need to remember the responsibility we have to our audience. Dressing inappropriately for public events sends the wrong message to our younger generation." The statement has divided fans and industry insiders alike. While some praised Adekola for speaking out and upholding cultural values, others accused him of unfairly policing women's choices. TOSIN OLANIYAN has yet to respond directly but shared an Instagram post captioned, "Your opinion of me doesn't define who I am." The controversy has reignited discussions about the fine line between self-expression and societal expectations in Nollywood. Fans await to see if the two actors will resolve their differences or if this marks the beginning of a larger conversation about fashion and professionalism in the Nigerian film industry. Thanks. Comment your thoughts below.